Hey, this is Hunter back for another part of the Racing Wannabe series. Well, I just got back from the track and I picked up my car and well, I wanted to get it set up to go race tonight. I didn't get it set up in time, but I still wanted to go check out the track scene. So we're gonna head over there now and check it out. All right, well, I'm back at the track. I'm in Panther Valley, Nevada, and racing starts at 7. I didn't get my stuff together in time, but I want to come check out the racing, see what it's all about. The track is in this little spot. So I'm entering the pit area. Then we got a guy working on a team associated truck, and there's a Traxxas / custom paint job. I noticed there was a seating list, so I went and checked it out. Then I looked up and saw that there was a timing screen. I purchased my truck, but I still wanted to see what people are running. And I did see quite a few Traxxas. I showed up about 10 minutes late, and the novice heat had already started, so I sat around and observed. The novice class had a mix of buggies and trucks. The novice class had a decent showing with 2 heats. It seemed like you had a couple warm-up laps before they called you up. You had to do a run-through to check to see if your transponder worked with the racetrack.
Drivers ready? Marshall's ready. On the tone, I want Brian only to go, and then I'm going to call your names and you go after them. All right, Brian. Dawson Reed. Dawson Bennett. Tom Smith. Marshall Rodriguez. Braxton. Haley.
They had a driver call up, and it seemed like they were racing the clock for a time seed. I was a fan of this orange car. I did navigate around the track to get different vantage points. Oh. It was great to watch the trucks and see how they raced. And it was kind of neat checking out the buggies. They were so smooth and they could really fly. The buggies could really send it through the whoop-de-doos. But I'm still content with trying to race trucks. The buggies were lined up for their chance at a heat.
Pete, Ronan, Dave, Josh, Rick, Brad, and Aaron.
It was the buggies' turn to do the roll through to check to see if their transponder was working. The buggies definitely had the biggest class. Next up was the 2-wheel drive stock modified, which would be the class I would bump up if I made it out of novice class. Mod truck. This will probably be where I go next if I make it out of novice.
No transponder toggle.
The 2-wheel drive modified, you can definitely tell they're a little quicker, a little more skilled navigating the track. Alright, after visiting the track and watching my first race, I'm definitely pumped on racing. I can't wait to get out there. I think I'm pretty happy with the truck I purchased, the Pro 2 SC10 stock brushless. I did ask a few questions. I asked what the race entry fee is. It's $20. You get a transponder. You reserve it with your keys. You gotta cut a little hole and use a body pin to hold it. And well, that's a wrap on this section. Now I gotta go home, set up my car, and break in the tires, and hopefully soon get back to racing.